Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Nest Thermostat installation using Google Home step by step clearly. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure your device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Nest Thermostat. On the home screen, locate the icon for your Nest Thermostat. Tap on the thermostat icon to open its control panel. Confirm that the thermostat displays the correct temperature and settings. If the thermostat is not responding, check the Wi-Fi connection status. Go to the settings within the Google Home app. Select the option labeled Works with Google. Look for Nest in the list of linked services. If Nest is not linked, tap Add to connect it to your Google account. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign into your Nest account. Once linked, return to the main screen. Tap on the Nest Thermostat icon again to check its functionality. Adjust the temperature settings to verify remote control capability. Wait for a few moments to see if the thermostat responds. Listen for any clicks or sounds indicating the thermostat is adjusting. If everything operates smoothly, your Nest Thermostat installation is verified. If there are issues, double-check your Wi-Fi connection and the wiring of the thermostat. You may also consult the troubleshooting section of the Google Home app for further assistance. After confirming installation and functionality, you're all set to enjoy your smart thermostat. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.